Hey, let's go see what's down here in the trash compactor.
Looks dark and scary down there.
Just, stay close to me. You'll be fine.
So do I get additional college credit for this?
That's the last of them. These new sabers turn out great, Larry. There goes the big guy. Get him.
Thanks. I've got him.
Oh no. Try something, Chewie. Hey, here's a big metal bar. This might brace the walls. Hey, what's he doing down here? Luke, I am your...
Hey, wait a second. Hey, Larry. I'm your father.
Yeah, I know that, Dad. I'll see you back on the ship.
What were you saying?
Never mind. So, want to grab something to eat?
Sure.
So, do I call you Darth or...
Call me Dad.
Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do that.
Nice.
Man,
Awesome.
those troopers can't hit anything.
What else can we re-engineer? Hey, who's piloting the ship?
The Jedi are in the final stages of the production process for their new lightsabers. Although most of the design is rather thin, there are some parts that are thick enough that they're going to need to be machined. Here, we have a part that is going to be dropped into Inventor HSM Express. You can see the setup like it would be in the shop, and now we're going to go through the process of how we would machine the holes. Now, I would think the Jedi Knights would be able to just use one of their existing lightsabers to poke the holes in there pretty accurately, but we're going to go ahead and see how they would do it if they pawned the tasks off onto the Ewoks. So the first thing we're going to do is click on Drill and choose the tool that we're going to need. This would probably have to be made out of some pretty strong materials to get through whatever futuristic materials the Jedi are using, but let's just assume that we already have this figured out. If we go through and click on the holes, with just a few clicks we're going to be able to orient our tool and define the depth of the first holes that we're creating. Now, if we press the Simulate button, you can see just what path it's going to take. These holes aren't big enough for our design yet, so we're going to have to go back through and use a boring technique. Now, it's not boring, it's boring. It's different, but kinda the same. So again, defining our tool and choosing the holes like we just did for drilling, we set up the orientation, and now you can see how the holes are bored. Kind of like me running CAM software, but again, that's a different kind of board. Lastly, we need to add some threading to the holes to make sure that we can screw in other parts, like the cool cross-hilt design. Zooming in, we press Simulate again, and you can see exactly how this is created. With that, our part is now ready for manufacturing. Time to start mass-producing the lightsabers for the Jedi to take down the Empire. I hope you've enjoyed our Desk Wars series. I'm pretty confident you now have all the skills necessary to create your own lightsaber. May the Force be with you.